Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a recipe from Susan Chandru. Thank you Susan for sharing this great recipe with us. Let's see the video now.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today we are gonna make chicken. We are gonna add olive oil. As you all know, olive oil is good for health. We're gonna take 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add little bit of sombu seeds, 1 finely chopped onion. Let onion get transparent. I've taken 1 kg of chicken. Add the chicken to the vessel. Grind 1 tomato and little bit of coriander leaves in a mixie jar. Now add the grinded masala. Two teaspoons of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of pepper. Pepper we are gonna add last also. Two chopped potatoes. And salt as per taste. Half glass of water to the chicken. Mix it well and close the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add coriander for garnish. Chicken is ready to serve.
Thank you Susan for this yummy recipe. Hope you all liked the video. Please try and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.